Last we had met was on 16th of March, and now that was beginning of the poll, and now tomorrow is the counting, so close of the poll. So on a lighter vein, on social media now you will see various memes with the taglines that perhaps Lapata gentlemen are back. So we were never out, we were always here. We chose to interact with you through our press notes. This was first time that we have issued close to 100 press notes, which has never been done ever. Advisories and all put together, it's total 100. So we have been interacting from behind the scene. So today we thought we will come and talk to you about this incredible story of the general elections, and we'll also try and answer whatever had happened during these 7 phases, both positive, negative. So let's just go through this incredible journey of the 7 phases. How do we go about it is that what has been the magnitude, what has been the effort of all of us together. 4 M's की हमने बात की थी जब हम शुरू किए थे इलेक्शन, मसल, मीडिया, मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन. तो उन 4 M में MCC, उनमें क्या हुआ, कैसा रहा, आपको रिपोर्ट करेंगे. और काउंटिंग के बारे में जितनी बातें, उसकी प्रिपेयर्डनेस क्या है, उसके बारे में भी बात करेंगे. तो फ्रेंड्स, it's a miracle what had happened. We'll try and talk about it more. And I'm sure all of you have been writing about it. All of you have visited the ground also, seen the polling stations for yourself, and have been part of us. We have walked together, whatever had happened in these last 3 months. Let's see what had happened. So the first major story, we have created a world record of 642 million proud Indian voters. This is a historic moment for all of us, for the nation as a whole. 642 ever, anywhere in the world, in any of the electoral exercise. That's what is the number of voters. And this is, just to give you some small statistics, this is 1.5 times of the voters of all G7 countries. US, UK, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, Canada, all put together. We are comparing voters, not electors. And it is 2.5 times of the voters of 27 countries in the EU. That has been the incredible power of the voters of India. Let's see what happened next. There are 312 million proud women voters. This is also the highest ever in the world. It is larger than the 2019 elections, both the total and the women voters. So this, we feel, is the moment that we must cherish, we must celebrate, and we want to give them a standing ovation to all our voters by this. I would ask all of you to join and hand. You are all our voters. So we thank you all. We salute all our voters, all our women voters who have really come and voted in this election, including all of you. You have also voted. I know many of you. I personally know the experiences which you have had on the polling station. Let's see what happened next. 85 plus and PWD voters. We again salute them. It has also not happened ever. उनके घर घर जाके हमने वोट लिया, और आपके भी घर में कहीं ना कहीं आसपास में किसी ना किसी बुजुर्ग ने वोट दिया होगा, जिसकी वजह से वो भी हमारे इसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर पाए. So these are the incredible stories on the positive note which we want to tell you. और जहां वुमेन का प्रश्न आया, मैंने पूछे वोटर्स दिखाए थे. हमने पूरे चुनाव में ये कोशिश की कि वुमेन डिग्निटी पे कोई भी वर्ड किसी के मुंह से पॉलिटिकल पर्सन के ना निकलने पाए. अगर निकल भी गया तो उसको हम इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग नैरेटिव और इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग वर्डेड एडवाइजरी दी है. वी फील that in times to come the political parties would also learn, the candidates would also learn to not utter a undignified word against the women of our nation. This is what we have attempted to settle by giving advisories, and we hope that this is not only during elections in political parties, but the discourse against women would be generally respected and would be in a different tenor. Friends, होम वोटिंग में जिन लोगों ने हमारे साथ वोट दिया, ये हमारे लोकतंत्र के गणनायक हैं। आजादी के पहले का भारत इन्होंने देखा है और पिछले 70 सालों में इन्होंने देश की एक एक चीज में, तरक्की में और कार्य में भाग लिया है। इनको भी हम दिल से नमन करते हैं कि इतने दिल से इन्होंने हमारे इलेक्शंस में भाग लिया और